36 and a half years old. I do not exercise often. I go in spurts. So we're going to see if we can lift 50-pound barbell and then try the max weight, which is, I think, 100. To be fair, the only thing I do use this probably every couple days, and this, you just bend it. So, and I do that just to maintain some muscle. So besides this and walking, that's it. And just normal lifting stuff around the house. Obviously, 55 pounds was easy. I've been working out on and off all my entire life. So it might look like I work out, but I'm telling you, the resistant really does help. So I do about 20 of these a day. So I just go like this. And I'm telling you, this thing alone really does help at all. Like, oh, that's got some weight to the 55 to 105. Oh man, this is not. All right. Oh wow. That's got some weight to it. Wow, I could feel it. I could feel the strain in more of my wrist, I would say. All right. Behind her head.